Mr. BA, I guess those are your initials, sir, from WhatsApp. I guess you're from abroad. I just don't know where you come from. But sir, anyway, there is no commitment here. I promise you that I will show you your request. You requested a pure trio and a pure another pure trio, no? This one, Mr. BA, is the base bloodline, the Duke Halsey Lemon, 8 months old, robust body. Tingnan mo yung kanyang thigh. Tingnan niyo po. You can see right there, and then that will answer your question, high station ba yan or not? You tell me, please. This is the thigh and this is the leg. My little finger is bigger than the leg. So this is a very thin-legged chicken. And timbang nyo po ito siguro 1,950 or a little bit like that, no? Tingnan mo, super red eyes and healthy na healthy yung manok. Good and glossy featherings. That's him. His legman number is 1238 po. Mr. BA, legman number 1438. And this one, these two pullets are also pure lemons. They're also 8 months old. Ready to breed na po sila. Ready to breed. Tingnan mo, balansyado din sila. Maganda din yan ang mga katawan. Bagay po dito sa brood stag nito. The legman numbers of the pullets is 1226 and the other one is 1223. So ito, Mr. BA, is the pure lemon trio I personally selected for you. The lemons have a long history with us, 50 years po. So we know what we're talking about. So ingat po tayo, Mr. BA, and hopefully give us a shout out. Okay? Sige po. Salamat, and this is Boy J, Lunao Game Farm, owner Boy Jimenez po.